My name is Lauren Arthur-Compton, and here are the 3 core beliefs that I'm going to share with you as it relates to learning, teaching, and leadership. Nothing is more important than respect and relationships. To me, respect and relationships go hand in hand with each other. We have all heard the phrase, to get respect, you have to give respect. While this phrase may ring true to many, it doesn't always work that way. I have found that in order to gain respect, especially with students, one must build a relationship. Building a relationship does not mean you have to be best friends, but it does mean you have to go the extra mile to learn about that individual. An example of this is building in some community builders to your lesson, or taking time to reflect individually with a student on a possible shared interest or class assignment. Doing this shows the student how the teacher is willing to create a respectful partnership with them. Many educators often experience this type of relationship with some of our students, but I have found that this belief works well with colleagues and parents as well. When I have taken the time to share positive news with parents, it has helped pave the way for a strong partnership when calling to discuss any concerns. Relationships are vital to my leadership style because even in a position of leadership, I value the connection with people and the work we do together to benefit students, parents, and teachers. A good way to build on this component leads me to my next core belief, which is collaboration. Collaboration is the action of working with someone to produce or create something. This type of work should occur between peers, staff, leaders, and families. The ultimate goal of collaboration is to work in alignment or as one to achieve a common goal, providing all students the high quality learning they deserve. Teachers typically collaborate together with other colleagues through collaborative learning teams, CLTs, collaborative teams, CTs, and/or professional learning communities, PLCs. It is just as important for teachers in schools to collaborate with parents as well. This can be accomplished through parent-teacher conferences, PTA meetings, and often school events such as back-to-school nights. Collaboration is important to my leadership style because we are stronger together to accomplish our goals. I mentioned earlier that through collaboration, we are working together to achieve the common goal of providing all students high-quality learning. This leads me to my last core belief, rigor. Rigor is providing high-quality instruction for all students. In order to provide students with rigorous instruction, we must all believe that all students are capable of achieving at high levels. Learning is not linear, meaning that individuals do not all learn the same way or even at the same pace. In order to meet students where they are while still challenging them, we must differentiate our instruction. This has been a big focus when I was in the classroom as a special education teacher, but is just as critical in all classes. Rigor is necessary in my leadership style because leaders are responsible for setting high expectations and delivering on the results. All 3 of these beliefs go hand in hand with each other. In order to receive high quality instruction, we must build those respectful relationships with students so that they are comfortable taking risks and that entail rigorous academic standards. In order to do this, we must collaborate as a school team and a community.